Hi, welcome back to Miss Chooni. This is Kind Skills Lab. Here, we learn small skills that help us with big feelings. Today, we're going to be seeing the power of a real apology.
One morning in art class, Maya sat at the table with bright paints in front of her. Red, blue, yellow. Next to her, Leo was painting a big green dinosaur. It had sharp teeth and tiny arms. Leo was very careful. "I'm almost done," he said proudly.
I'm almost done.
Maya reached for the blue paint, but her sleeve caught the cup. Blue paint spilled across the table, right onto Leo's dinosaur. The green dinosaur turned blue. Leo stared at his painting. "My dinosaur," he said quietly. Maya froze. For a moment, she thought about saying, "The cup was too close," or "It was an accident," but she looked at Leo's painting again.
I'm really sorry, Leo. I knocked the paint over.
Leo didn't say anything. Maya grabbed some paper towels. She gently wiped the table. Then she looked at the painting. "I want to help fix it," she said. Leo tilted his head.
Maybe it can be a water dinosaur. A sea dinosaur.
"My sea dinosaur is even cooler." Maya smiled. The heavy feeling in her chest disappeared. A real apology means taking responsibility and trying to fix what went wrong.
Sometimes mistakes happen, but saying sorry and helping make things better can turn a spill into something new. I'm Miss Chooni, and this was Kind Skills Lab. Thanks for listening. I'll see you next time.